a phone unboxing. DOOGEE is set to release its flagship smart mobile phone, and it's the world's first smart mobile phone with a professional laser rangefinder, and it's the DOOGEE S97 Pro. It has got 40 meters laser rangefinder with 8500 mAh of battery and 8GB RAM plus 128GB of ROM. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. This box right here is so unique. Yes, so unique. The quality is so amazing, so good. This is not your regular phone box, okay? Alright, so I think it's very good for like transporting the phone, because if you have very bad like cover, it's not going to be that good for this phone. So I think it's very good that they have this kind of box. Alright, so let's get into what's in the phone. Alright, so let's see what's in there. Okay, so let's have a look of how it's been arranged. Okay, as you can see, everything is placed uniquely in the package. Alright, so first let's take a look at the charger. Alright, so as you can see, the charger right there, so good. And this is the USB port for this charger. Okay, so let me put this right here, and then we have this right here. Okay, so as you can see, this one you might think is a stylus pen. It's not a stylus. Okay, this is the drill eject tool. This is what you use to eject the drill for the SIM card. Okay, I think it was being made in this way because of how strong the phone is. You need something stronger to take out the drill, so I think this is very good. Okay, let's put this right here, and then we have the like the holder. I think this, you don't have to say much about it because we all know what this is used for. Okay, alright, now let's take a look at this. This is the USB cable. Now this USB cable right here is so good, so good. The texture, how it feels differently. It's very strong, and I think it's very good. And this is a Type C USB cable, which is very good. So you just have to place the USB, okay, in the port right there. Oh, sorry, this part here, the Type C. Okay, there, here we go. So this is very good. This is so good. Alright, so let's put this right here. Okay, now the phone is what we're going to talk about, so let me put this right here. I will come back to that. Okay, so this is the screen protector, and it's very good. You don't need to go outside and buy any screen protector because you have it right here in the package, which I think is very good. And they added a screen protection accessory right here, so you just have to get something, like you have something in there to like they clean the mobile phone to make it tidy before you place the screen protector on it. I think it's very good. Okay, so let me put this right here. Okay, and there is a warranty card right there. Okay, and then the giveaway and promotion card. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, good. And this is the user manual. Okay, so as you can see, yes, this is the user manual where you can actually go in there and get to know how the phone is operated. I think it's very good that they have this in there, and this is in every phone. Like any other phone you buy, you get the user manual in there. I think it's very good job. Okay, now let's get back to the phone. Okay, now let's talk about the basic information of this phone. Now we all know that the special function of this phone is the laser rangefinder. Okay, this phone has got an operating system of Android 11.0, and that is the latest version of Android. Okay, alright, so it has got an external storage of card up to 256GB, and the processor and GPU is Helio G59 octa-core and 2X Cortex A76 2.1 GHz plus 6X Cortex A55 2.0 GHz. And let's look at the dimension of this phone. Okay, alright, this phone has got a height of 170.2 millimeters and a width of 83.6 millimeters, and then a thickness of 16.2 millimeters. Now let's take a look at the upper bit of the phone. As you can see, you have the AI laser right there. Okay, now we should talk much about this when I turn on the phone. Okay, alright, so when you flip to the other side, you can see the SIM card drill. Okay, now you remember the SIM card ejector, right? So you basically put it right here and then flip it That's it right there. You have the drill out. Okay, all right, so let me put it back there. Okay, and then you have two function keys right there, custom function keys. Okay, and then when you get to the bottom bit of it, you have the how do you call it, the charger slot right there. Okay, right there, it's got a cover, right? So you just have to, you know, like use your finger to just pull out the cover, and this prevents this from getting to the charging port. I think it's a good thing. All right, so let's take a look at the next part of the phone. That is the other side of the phone. You have the volume keys, that is the high and the low, and then the power key there, and then you have the fingerprints right there, which makes it very easy, you know, like most phones have it at the back or in front, but this at the side, which makes it very easy to operate, right? So simple. All right, now when we turn to the next side, that is the back of the phone, you have four cameras right there. That is the AI quad camera. Okay, so we have the first one, that is the 48 megapixels main camera, and then the next one is the 2 megapixels macro camera. Now the third one is the 8 megapixels wide angle camera, and then the 2 megapixels portrait camera. Now right here you have the four rear flashes. So now let's turn on the phone and have a look at the display. All right, so right there. Okay, so you have the DOOGEE, right? Yes, powered by Android. Very sleek and sharp. Okay, yes, right there. Nice display. Very nice display. This phone right here has got a display of 6.39 inches HD plus the dot display. Okay, and it's got a Corning Gorilla Glass, and then has got 720 by 1560 resolution. It has also got a 270 ppi pixel density. Have a look. This has got an LCD screen. Isn't this amazing? So as said earlier, the special function of this flagship smart mobile phone is the laser rangefinder. So we are going to have a look at how it's being used. Okay, all right, so let's have a look. Okay, so now let's open the app, the rangefinder. Okay, so this is the rangefinder. Open the app. Right here you have the length, the area, the volume, and the Pythagore. Okay, so we are going to display how the measurement is being taken. Okay, now let's check how this app works. Okay, all right, so first of all, let's turn on the infrared. All right, so infrared on, so you can see the red light, right? So that is the laser right there. Okay, so let's try measuring the distance between this part to this here. Okay, all right, so on. All right, as you can see, the distance is 0.415 meters. That was very fast. Okay, so that is the display right there, 0.415 meters. This phone right here has got a very quality camera display. As I said earlier, this phone has got the AI quad camera, that is the 48 megapixels main camera, the 2 megapixels macro camera, the 8 megapixels wide angle camera, and then the 2 megapixels portrait. Okay, all right, so let's have a look how the camera quality is. All right, so okay, so like this. Okay, all right, so let's have a look. All right, have a look at the picture. Very quality. Just look, zoom in. Okay, we zoom in, no pixelation, right? It's not pixelated. So I think this camera is so amazing and very good. The sharpness is so unique. Okay, now let's demonstrate the selfie camera. Okay, so this has got the 2 megapixel selfie camera. All right, so let's have a look. All right. Now have a look. Okay, very sleek, unique, no pixelation, right? Very unique. All right, so let's have a look at the game quality. As you can see, very quality, right? Very sharp. Yes, and it's not lagging. As you can see, very sharp right there. Good display right there. Yeah, In summary, this phone is so amazing. Now, even though the special function of this phone is the laser rangefinder, I think anybody at all can go for this phone because it's got good display for gamers and it's got good picture quality for people who love to take pictures. Okay, all right, now people that actually like to use measuring tools can also go for this phone, and that's the main focus of this phone, the function. Okay, all right, so that's all for now. See you later. Goodbye.